the first thing that we look forward to in budding hoteliers is attitude. I know you go through a rigorous 3-year course in your colleges, but believe me, every company that hires you has its own prerequisite training, which is already set. So you unlearn a little bit from what you learned in college, and you again continue to learn a little bit in the companies that you have, and the amalgamation of both your practical and your theoretical training actually take you forward. But something that cannot be replaced is attitude. So I think we need to tell our students that and attitude, I know some people say you're born with it. Well, you're born with it, but you can hone it as well. It is no rocket science. You can imbibe a lot of things by just looking at people, by looking at them speak, by looking at them walk, by looking at them conduct themselves. So try and imbibe a very, very positive attitude, because if you have that, training will be imparted to you by the companies that hire you. So please don't worry about the skill part of it. The skill will be taught to you and you will learn it. I would assume that if you are in an institute like IIHM, you would have the prerequisite IQ levels and smartness and all of that. The second thing, Sanchari, which I think kids don't realize these days, is that continue to work on your personality, because at the end of the day, our industry is a lot to do with personality. The way you present yourself, the way you articulate, the way you speak, the way you behave in public, because it's all about interactions. It's all about interacting with your own team, and it's all about interacting with guests. And the third thing, of course, is hone your skills while you still can. In these 3 years, do not waste your time sitting on dhabas and drinking chai. That's very important as well for everybody, and I completely advocate that, but do not do it to a point of wasting your time. Reach out to your teachers, reach out to your professors. You as a person know what you lack. Nobody else knows it better than you. And try and hone that, because in those 3 years, you have people who will help you. And if you get that out of your way, then you are a winner when you get into the industry. And of course, the last but most important thing is there is no shortcut to hard work and integrity. And I think that is one thing that we look forward to students who pass out and get into hospitality. It's a known fact. It's much better now, but it's a known fact that hospitality is all about hours, because it's not as if you shut up, you put on your computer and you shut off your computer. If a VIP guest is coming 2 hours later, well, you have to be there to welcome the VIP guest, right, or serve the guest. So it's a very need-based job rather than just a 9 to 6 kind of a job. Get ready for it and take pride in it. Be happy about it. I've spent a good close to 27 years in the industry. I still come to work with a spring in my step every day because I love what I do. I look forward to every single day. It pains my heart to see what the industry is going through during this COVID times. I take it very, very personally, and I'm just waiting for the day where things will be normal and, you know, things will bounce back.
For a great hospitality career, call 9310 50,000.